One thing I always do that I should probably be used to by now is I always forget to turn on my freaking mic. Happens all the time, like really often. But what I was getting at is, whoops, I have gotten most of the, actually I do. I've got all the electrical components hooked up, so that means I now get to start wiring things. I did test out the fan to make sure that kind of works good, so that one's wired, but check it out. Comes in from the solar, goes to the batteries, charges the batteries, goes the on-off switch, goes to a 100 amp fuse, goes to a positive bus bar. Positive bus bar feeds into the core, which goes to this 60 amp fuse, which feeds this fuse block. And then we've got our negative bus bar, which feeds off the battery, comes here, positive, negative, power inverter. Power inverter will be to this thingy. Yeah, that was kind of, I just butchered that. But anyways, I'll do a better like walk through later. But now I just want to start running a lot of these wires. I've gotten the switch part to our living room's hooked up. So I just need to run the rest of that wire and then plug it up, and then our living room lights should kind of work. So let's finish that. All right, let's check it out. That's neat. What a fun thing. I did that. I definitely did that. Alright, check it out.
What? Oh, nice, babe.
So you know, like, going grocery shopping, go to the store,
Yeah.
come in, put the lights on.
Woo! That's actually really exciting.
Yeah.
Hey, that's awesome. Really, I'm super proud of you. I wasn't expecting that. I thought you were gonna like just flip the switch and be like, look, the switch is installed. I didn't know you had it all set up with the lights.
Yeah, dude. However, I just thought about, would it be better to have the security lights down here or up here?
I think that's probably just nitpicking a little bit. I think it's fine.
I'm like nitpicking everything now, but
I know, that's okay. It's your home too. If you
isn't that fun?
okay,
Check
Milo.
it. Push it. Push it.
Okay, I'll entertain you. Oh.
I did that. I did that.
You did do that. Looks real good, Nelson. Real good.
Alright, let's check out the kitchen lights. Dude, this is freaking cool. And that's just fun to do. And it's free energy because we got solar. Like, man. What a cool feeling. Whoa. Whoa. Is it good? Alrighty, so I think that's that. Got a lot of work done today. Now it's time to hang out with this little guy. Thanks for watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't. If you could, subscribe. We'd really, really appreciate it. And yeah, right? Thanks, guys. Scoot! You gotta scoot! Ah, you gotta get back in the car. Get back in the car. You push it? Or you push it? I'm gonna get you. Na, 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 I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey, come here. Milo Alexander Nelson, come here.